lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right, lost in the shadows of a